We will share with you how to fix Android phone won't turn on issue in this video. Solution 1. Restart your Android phone. If your phone isn't turning on completely, consider restarting it. A restart will refresh your phone's memory and return it to its normal operating state. Press and hold the power button for up to 10 seconds until the powers off option appears, and click it to turn your phone off. Then, press the power button once again to turn it back on immediately. But on some Android phones, you need to tap the volume up or volume down and power buttons simultaneously, and then choose the power off icon. Solution 2. Charge your phone. If your phone is not turning on, then the issue might be the battery doesn't have a charge. This is a common issue that many individuals face when using their phones. In order to fix this issue, you need to charge it back up as soon as possible. Solution 3. Boot into safe mode. Turning on safe mode is a great way to check if any third-party apps are causing the problem. 1. Long press the power button. 2. Once the phone starts to boot up, long press the volume down button till the safe mode option appears on the screen. 3. After checking, restart the phone to exit the safe mode. Solution 4. Check if the phone is damaged. If your phone is not turning on, then it might be because the part of the device that is required to turn it on is damaged. You should double check if the device has any physical damage to it. If so, you may need to replace the hardware part of that device and solve your problem. If there are no external signs of any physical damage, try charging your phone and see if that works as a possible solution for your issues. Solution 5. Perform power cycle. A power cycle is a procedure that has several different steps. It involves removing the battery, waiting for some time, then putting it back. This process can help fix some issues with your phone and make it work again for those devices that don't have a removable battery. Long press the power button of the device for some time, like 10 seconds. Switch off and on again. Solution 6. Check the battery. If your phone is not turning on at all, then this might be due to the battery being discharged. To solve this problem, you will need to check the battery. But most batteries installed on Android devices are non-detachable, so please take your phone to the phone repair store rather than remove the battery by yourself. Solution 7. Check the screen of your Android device. If your phone is not turning on, then your screen might be the problem. An easier way to check if the screen is working properly is to press and hold the power button to switch it off and then on again. Solution 8. Check your charger or cable. If your phone is not turning on, then it is possible that the cable or charger isn't working properly. If this is the case, then you will need to replace it with a new one. However, make sure you use the original charger and cable with your phone. Solution 9. Restore your phone to recovery mode. 1. Press and hold the power button until you see the option to power off. 2. Open the Settings app, tap on General. Now tap on the Backup and Reset option and click on Factory Data Reset. 3. Lastly, click Reset Phone at the bottom of the screen.